Hi guys!
Hi guys! You're so happy, isn't it?
Yeah, I am. How are you doing, guys? It's been a while, but this secret we try to keep it for a few months, and now we can finally tell you the best news that we are homeowners in London.
Finally, isn't it?
Yeah, so we purchased semi-detached house in Greater London, and it's about 1,400 square feet. It's huge. It's 3-bedroom house with large living room, as you can see. The house itself is very tired, but we choose this house because we want to put something from ourselves. We want to refurbish. We want to put our style and design in this whole house. And as you can see, we moved a couple of stuff already. But yeah, so we have a treadmill. Finally, I can do my workout. And then as well, we got delivery of our Simba mattress. I will leave you in the comments down below discount code as well. Hopefully it will be the best mattress ever, because we read a lot of articles about that. And we have already dishwasher and fridge freezer from Samsung, but we're still waiting for a washing machine. If you're looking around, I mean, I need to show you that, because this is, if you are looking for painters, make sure that they paint professionally. Not like this. Okay, so that's number one. Make sure that you have a good painter, because this is, I don't know, they don't know.
I believe this is the most ridiculous thing I ever saw in my life.
Okay, I got this. Then you put the mirror. No, I don't understand that. I mean, seriously, put down the mirror when you're painting and paint a whole wall.
Yeah, I think that was a sofa probably.
Probably, yeah, but I want to have here like huge L-shaped sofa with table. I want a TV here. I want to make this fireplace work. So yeah, we need to call chimney guy actually to fix it, to check. We'll do a lot of plumbing. We'll change radiators. Here probably will be my gym for time being until it will settle more.
And maybe after will be an office.
Maybe. I don't really know, guys. Let me know what you think. I really don't know. That's a huge hallway, and this is the kitchen. Yeah, we have to put ceilings down, so everything is, oh my goodness, fire safety. Everything is in working in progress. So this is huge kitchen. We will refurbish kitchen as well. I need to look for good brands, and yeah, if any recommendations, let me know. From the kitchen, we are going to downstairs bathroom.
So it will be my toilet probably. So I have my private toilet and all the guests coming to us, isn't it?
Probably it will be yours. So this is a hallway, and we are going to porch. Everything was removed from here, so we need to put everything new. However, it's really good size and it's so big, so probably I will put here like a bench for shoes, maybe some hangers for coats or something. I don't know, I just need a lot of ideas, guys. And we have attached garage as well, so let me show you quickly.
It's 11 meters long.
Yes, so for time being, we have our fridge here because we can't fit it inside at the moment. It's huge!
Yeah, then we'll need to remove the door, but it doesn't matter because we want to change all the door here.
Yeah, everything will be refurbished, so we will show you the whole project, how it is.
There's already scaffolding.
Yeah, there's already scaffolding. It's very bad weather today, it's raining so much. Okay, let's go back to the kitchen. So this is ground floor. Let's go to first floor. As you can see, the whole house has fancy wallpapers. We already started to do some works. We need to scrub everything down. Yeah, so this is first floor. We have first door, which are actually like a storage, but it will be
Staircase going upstairs.
And yeah, there will be staircase. Probably like that shape. Let's see. This is bathroom, which will be refurbished as well. This is the first project we will be doing actually, to put like very nice designer radiator, toilet. I would like to have sink on this side with a huge mirror, And then this will be space for shower, right? 120 times 90 centimeters. And this wall will be knocked down because at the moment there is a boiler and we will
A hot water tank, I believe.
or something, I don't know. But actually we will move it everything downstairs, and this is gonna be much larger bathroom. And now we have 3 bedrooms here, so let's start in this one.
The guest one, isn't it?
Yes. So this probably will be guest room, and then we will put bed here, and then 2 bedside tables. We need to scrub all wallpapers down, and as well we need to move electricity and all sockets as we prefer. All carpets will be destroyed. I mean, they're destroyed already, so yeah, we want to change windows as well. But I'm not sure if to go for dark gray from outside or wooden color and then from inside white. I'm not sure. Probably you will see on my Instagram a lot of stuff. And then this is built-in wardrobe.
Yeah, it needs to be totally fixed, isn't
Yeah,
it?
we need to fix it. We need to
Redo it.
do it again. Yeah, but that's the project, guys. If you buy a house which is tired, but it's better because, to be honest, you know, you can invest a little bit of money and you get a lot of value. This is gonna be our master bedroom. We already started to put wallpapers down, which is really hard job. So, I mean, I prefer to just paint the wall. It's much easier. Yeah, it's really good size. All rooms. I really love that they are like in square shape, so you don't have like very funny angles. Beautiful view on our garden. Yeah, I cannot wait to bring my dog Shayla here.
Yeah.
And maybe Tara will come to visit us if you saw our video from Christmas. I don't even know what it, no, actually we will put just bed there, I think.
Yeah.
And in this room we have already some stuff because we have to move out from our apartment. And this is gonna be our closet. Did you hear that, babe? I said our.
Yeah. So there'll be one small shelf for me and the rest for you, isn't it?
Yeah, probably I will be generous to you. I will give you shelf maybe here. Oh yes, another thing, radiators needs to go under the window. So we are going to do insulation, so we need to put everything on this wall and then we need to move radiator under the window to make sure that, you know, the heating and fresh air is coming on the same side. If you're a builder or contractor, you will understand what I'm talking about. And then, yes, this is gonna be probably the front side of the closet. I will be very generous. And
the whole side?
Yeah, and maybe I will have a built-in wardrobe over there, maybe here like a shoe storage and
yeah, maybe some small, maybe small island in the middle or dressing table here.
Maybe dressing table or makeup or vanity table will be over there, so I will have proper light when I'm doing my makeup. And then as well, if I want to film, I can put my camera over there and I will have perfect light. So yeah, this is gonna be my filming / dressing room. I'm so excited.
I can see it.
Okay, let's go. Oh yeah, we need to change all doors as well. Yeah, what do you think, guys?
And we can show you the loft as well, isn't it? How to open it.
Oh, that's true. Okay, come here on this side. I can go even under, but I'll show you. I forgot to tell, yes. How did it work? Uno momento.
Oh, no, you need to properly push it down. Yeah, push it more. Okay?
No. Okay. I don't know, we don't have this in Slovakia, guys. I don't know why they do that. Or maybe we do, we just... Oops, is it okay like that?
Yeah, let's go up.
Okay, so just to let you know, we will not have... Oh, this staircase. It will be here. So they are more like Harry Potter room. You actually open it, you will go up. And this probably will need to like steal or something. I don't know. Okay, let's go up. Oh, thanks God I was not eating much during Christmas.
It is.
Okay, and we are here. So this is our roof. We have two roof windows here. And what we want to do, we would like to convert it to a room. We will see if we put something like storage, but I would prefer probably, if it will be possible, to open this one, to put like insulation inside, and then to put maybe large king-size bed here, two bedside tables. Maybe I will put just over there and that corner. I will put maybe like a sofa chair so you can read your blog or to be on the internet or Instagram, whatever. And then
here will be the staircase probably somewhere.
Yeah, somewhere here. So it's pretty large loft, and as you can see, I mean, it should be habitable because even if I'm walking, I have space, and there is as well. It's just like they put like a plastic bag here. So, and there is a water tank which old houses in the UK have, but this will go away 100%, and we'll have new like water boiler which can manage to do whatever needs to be done, right?
But everything will be downstairs in utility.
We need to install electricity here as well, and
yeah, I want to change those windows for the larger ones because those are quite small.
yeah, let's see what we can do. We are ready for Halloween as well. We already have spider web here.
Yeah, and spiders. So already Halloween decoration is ready.
Ah, look, there is a spider. Okay, but that's the life living in the house, right?
Yeah.
So yeah, excited to show them.
Yeah, let's go downstairs to show you the garden.
Oh yeah, garden. Okay, let's go the same way. How? Okay.
You're not really used to this, isn't it?
No. It's not really safe. But yeah.
I cannot imagine to come here with a box.
You need to be very skinny box. But you can't even lift it. Someone needs to give it to you probably. Like you will be here. I don't know.
Yeah, to push it up. Yeah.
Probably
change it to a staircase.
Yeah.
More safe.
100%.
More safe and more
use
comfortable.
it as a cinema room maybe or whatever. I think
Yeah, it would be cool cinema.
Because it's shame to have such a nice room there, so it can be easily 4-bedroom or maybe even 5-bedroom house.
Yeah.
Even more if you do garage as well.
Yeah.
Like or maybe extension. Okay, let's go to garden. Now we are in the garden. It's raining so much today, and he has scaffolding already put on. So until we do refurbishment and extension over here, probably we will have some seating as well. Garden needs some cleaning. We need gardener, guys. And we have shed over there as well. So yeah, garden is huge, and I'm really, really excited. So guys, thank you very much for watching. A lot of videos will be coming soon as we will do all the refurbishment and all the works in the house. As you saw, it's very, very tired. You need to refurbish every single thing in the house. However, if you have any recommendation, let me know. And don't forget that I will leave you everything in the comments down below, all the discount codes and everything that I have. And also, yeah, a lot of videos will be coming as we will do the house and each room. So I'm really, really excited.
Yeah, me too.
Thank you very much for watching, and I hope that I will see you in my next video. Bye!